Hey, bro, I need you to get back in that mode again. That mode where nothing can take you off your pivot. You just putting in that work every single day. See, that version of you is different. You got to tap back into it. Don't be out here playing with your potential because you one of them ones, bro. You special.
Say what's up to the vlog, man. Hey, y'all. Hey, man. Welcome to today's vlog, bro. Man, today, truck keep getting in the way, man. But today, man, we're heading up here to this. I think it's like a grand opening to like a shop. And we're not putting it down because they got that. But it's a grand opening to a shop, and they supposed to have like some cars or whatnot out there. Something like that. My homeboy was telling me. So me and JJ, we're gonna pull up. We're gonna see what they talking about. But y'all get to come along with us, man. Hope y'all enjoy today's vlog, bro. And if you ain't watched last vlog, bro, you really lame. I ain't gonna lie to you. You lame. You gotta go watch that vlog, bro. And we just passed 1K. And I appreciate y'all, man. I ain't gonna lie to you, man. Make sure y'all go like, comment, and subscribe to the video, bro. Make sure y'all go do that, bro. Got to, man. Y'all heard JJ. And look, bro, right now, JJ just says some junk that I could not, like, think about, like, picture him doing. JJ said he want to do YouTube video about camping. And the question was that I asked him was, is you going to bring your own food or you going to kill your own food? And he said he going to fish. So, what else you going to do with it? Like,
I'm saying I'm going to light it up.
But how you, like, the thing is, how's you gonna start the fire with, like, let's just say you don't take a lighter. You gonna take a lighter or no?
I'm going to take one.
Okay.
Just to be smart.
You won't? Yeah, okay.
Then, if there goes my plan B, the lighter will be plan B.
But,
hey,
okay.
I'm going to try.
That's what you should do, hell yeah. You should try. Alright, what else? You gotta tell them everything, what else you think about doing?
Then, after we make the fire, we gotta build a place. I'm gonna try to do it without no tent. I'm gonna try to build it
Without a tent. So
get
hold
some
up.
wood, then build it. Start building.
You good at building shit though?
Yeah.
I ain't never seen you build shit, that's why I'm
But
asking.
it probably fall apart though. I ain't gonna count, but I'm gonna try to fix it.
But nigga, if you land in now, you gonna want that shit to fall apart on you?
Hell no. No, I'm gonna make sure it's right. I'm gonna make sure it's right.
You better make sure it's right. You ain't gonna have a knot on your head. That motherfucker gonna build something, gonna hit you right in the head. I thought that motherfucker finna come over here too, but I ain't gonna lie to you. About to be stranded out in the wilderness. If you wanna go camping, call JJ. He said he got you.
For sure.
So, hey, y'all just stay tuned though. We finna fast forward and see what they doing. You know what I'm saying? Hopefully, they got a lot going on. They said deep out there, so we gonna see. Y'all just stay tuned though. Y'all listen. Bro, so we went to go see if they was having the opening for the damn for the little shop. And nobody went there. And so we just bumped out. We finna head back to the city. JJ gonna be the star of the show. He said today we're gonna teach him taught us how to he gonna go camping. I know what we're gonna do. We're gonna put some gas in the Yodi. We're gonna pull up the damn from Man City. Somebody done fucked up the goddamn screen. You looked at it, motherfucker. Look, JJ looked at it. Look what it started doing. It wasn't doing that before now.
I looked at it. That's the inbreak.
I ain't gonna cut y'all, man. I think about time for us to do out of state vlogs now.
Yeah.
What you think? Out of state vlogs, for sure. That's a good thing.
They don't be on us.
GA don't be on that sometimes. Bruh, this woman called. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. This bitch said Kazima Dixon. I don't know. Shut your
Oh, I got it. I most definitely got it.
thick ass elbows. She said, back on the car said thick as hell. I ain't gonna count. I couldn't really like thick ass hell. Damn, that's wild. Right, imagine that's your mama. And she ride to school with that on the back of her car.
Take it off. Take it off. She gotta take it off.
Hey YouTube, so today, man, I'm taking y'all with me. We finna go, as y'all can tell by the title of the video, man, I know y'all been waiting on it. I've been waiting on it. So today, I'm gonna give y'all something that I want to see too, but as well as y'all, man, you can't never go too long without putting that mod on the Coyote or the exhaust. So today, we're gonna go get the exhaust installed. And I just want y'all to stay with me, bro, so y'all can see my reaction, and then we're gonna get a whole lot of other people's reaction, bro. But just stay tuned for them videos, and we're gonna do it like that. Just make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe to the video. We locked in, we get into it. Make sure y'all, hey, listen though, I'm gonna throw in some more stuff that I might do. I'm looking to go ahead and throw my cold air on, get a tune. But we're gonna stay tuned, we're gonna get into that. And just make sure y'all stay tuned with me, you feel what I'm saying? Like, just enjoy it, cause I am too. Start trying to hit some of these car meets and stuff. Get out there a little bit more. And you know, so we ain't, cause I'm getting tired of like the content just around where I'm at. So we just gonna get out a little bit more. And expand the content a little bit. That's something that I need to do. Expand the content, and that's what we're gonna do. I think it'll be great for the channel, great for me too. So that's what we're gonna do. I'm up early, gonna get this done. So y'all just stay tuned to the video. Hit that thumbs up button, drop a comment, and make sure y'all subscribe. Hit that post bell notification so y'all know when I drop, bro. Let's do it. We finna fast forward and hit the shot. Let's get it. Hey, DreVlogs fam, man. So what we did, bro, for sure, I got the resonator deleted. And, like, it sounds smooth. Like, even when I gear it down, like, it sounds smooth. I'm gonna let y'all hear it a little bit. Been quiet for so long, she just want to speak, you know what I'm saying? So that's what we gonna do. Y'all hear her growling. You got dang yowdy. Man, we driving in sport today, man. Let y'all hear that a little bit. It sounds different from the inside than the outside. So we finna see how it sounds. Yeah, if both of them lights on, it off, it full off. I want to see how it sounds. It ain't bad. Like, I don't know how it sound on camera, but how it sound in person, like, I don't know. What we want? Do the lunch off. Hey, that bitch sound good, boy. Oh, I love it, man. We going with that one. I thought we going with that. We gonna go back. We gonna get the yeah. I like them. I like them right there. I like that. I really do like that, y'all. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. I like that. They put a smile on my face. Did they? Yeah. Bro, you always gotta have something to put a smile on your face. I ain't gonna lie to you. That bitch sounds so good. Oh my God, y'all. Bro, it sounds so good, bro. Bro, my car been quiet for so long, bro. They're like, it sounds so much better. It sounds like a real Yodi 5.0. I just wanted to hit. That's what I wanted to hit. Hey, that motherfucker sound good, hey. I just want y'all to get my honest raw reaction like of this car. Like it is crazy. Like y'all stay with me now. I'm gonna do a downshift for y'all. I love that. Fudge, bro. Like, y'all, I gotta set my GoPro up. Where is it, matter of fact? Hey, y'all hold on. Finna be back. Finna set my GoPro up. I got to. No cap to y'all. So, I ain't gonna cap to y'all, though. I really do love the sound of this car. Like, I thought I wasn't gonna like the resonator delete and the muffler delete together, but I really do like it. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, I really do. And bro, if y'all like, hey, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe to the video, bro. I'm gonna drop another video. I'm gonna get some reactions, you know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna lie, I got a lot of people that haven't heard my car actually in person, so like, we're gonna get some reactions of people like hearing it in person. It really is. So just stay tuned, bro. And just lock in with me, you feel what I'm saying? Got doing Yodi? Trying to do it like that. But yeah, man, just make sure y'all stay locked in, man. We going up, man. All you gotta do is lock in with me, you feel me? And like, just like that. We up at it again, bro. Another video dropping, bro. Y'all just stay tuned. I got more videos on the way. Trust me. Let's do it.
Hey, what's up?